23, 40, 42, 50. I become a millionaire! Don't get this junk in me. I quit. I have won the lottery. No more yes sir, no sir, whatever you say sir, I'm going to retire. Here's your crappy computer.
Life comes at you fast.
Can I have my computer back, boss?
Don't rely on luck. Rely on Nationwide Financial to help you make the right decision. Investments, retirement, insurance.
Nationwide is on your side.